Welcome to Nexaspaces, where innovation meets the future. And now, we're proud to introduce our brand new educational wing. Next, Nexaspaces Tech Education, designed to empower students and working professionals with cutting-edge tech skills for the real world. In this playlist, we're diving deep into embedded systems for IoT, from the very basics to advanced industry-ready applications. Whether you're a beginner, a college student, or an engineer looking to upskill, this journey is built for you. Module 1, Introduction to Embedded Systems. We'll begin by understanding what embedded systems are, how they differ from general-purpose computers, and explore real-world use cases that are shaping industries today. Module 2, Electronics Fundamentals. Next, we cover the electronics backbone, from components like resistors and diodes to PCB basics, analog versus digital signals, and sensor interfacing. Module 3, Microcontrollers and Development Boards. Dive into the world of microcontrollers. Learn Arduino, ESP32, ESP8266, and how to choose the right board for your IoT projects. Module 4, Programming for Embedded Systems. Master the essentials of embedded C, use interrupts and timers effectively, and understand serial communications like UART, I2C, and SPI. Module 5, IoT Communication and Networking. Discover how devices talk, with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, LoRa, MQTT, and HTTP, and how to get your ESP32 online in minutes. Module 6, Sensors, Actuators and Data Acquisition. We'll show you how to connect sensors, read live data, log it efficiently, and control devices like motors and LEDs from your microcontroller. Module 7, Cloud Integration and Visualization. Bring your data to life. Connect to platforms like Blynk, Thingspeak, or Firebase and build real-time dashboards for your IoT systems. Module 8, Power Management and IoT Security. Learn how to design for low-power devices, use sleep modes, manage battery life, and secure your systems with HTTPS, API keys, and encryption. Module 9, Real-Time Operating Systems, RTOS. Step into professional development with FreeRTOS. Learn task scheduling, queues, semaphores, and how to build multitasking IoT apps. Module 10, Real-World Projects. Finally, apply everything with practical projects, from smart agriculture and healthcare to complete home automation and industrial monitoring. With this playlist, you're not just learning embedded systems, you're stepping into the future of intelligent devices and connected solutions. Subscribe now and be a part of the next movement, Nexaspaces Tech Education, where every learner becomes a creator. Hit the bell icon, leave your questions in the comments, and stay tuned for weekly releases. Welcome to Next. Welcome to the future. Only on Nexaspaces.